Kita namin address.
Against the light, ha?
Against the light. So ito na siya. Hindi natin alam kung andito mga ba yung PS5. Eh.
Mabigat ba?
Mabigat naman eh.
Oh,
Baka may
nandyan.
bato sa loob. Tingnan natin.
Oh, bato nga.
Parang bato. Dito tayo nakasetup guys. So yun guys, na-setup ko na kayo dyan. Ito yung clip ko nung January 22, nung in-order ko siya sa second wave ng Datablitz na pre-order ng PS5. Nag-check ako ng email. Pinagbabayad na nila ako dun sa pre-order ko ng PS5. Then, after ko magbayad, nag-confirm and everything, nag-go through yung transaction, successful. Now, here's the confirmation email. There you go. Pre-order! Let's go, people! Let's go! So guys, ngayon, January 29. So, ngayon talaga yung release ng PS5 na second wave. Dumating din sa atin on the 29th. Ewan ko, kala ko mas matagal kasi ship sa address ko. Yung iba kasi pwedeng may option na pick up sa store. Ako, pinik ko yung ship to my address kasi mas madali yun para sa akin. Sobrang excited ko. 3 days ago, bumili na agad ako ng mga isa pang dualsense controller and yung NBA 2K21.
Baka naman Datablitz.
Baka naman! Datablitz! Hindi natin sure kung gusto ko ay Miles Morales, Spider-Man 2K21. Bakit na naman ako binibidyohan? Ano namang meron? Ano yan? Ako, nahuli ako.
Sabi na pala yung ginawa.
Anong ginawa mo? Yung ginawa mong PS5? Uno. So, excited na akong buksan to. Let's open it. Actually, kakasend lang sa akin ni Datablitz ng tracking number ko kagabi, mga 11 PM. Tapos, hindi ko in-expect na dadating na siya today. Kasi akala ko talaga, dahil nga province kami, akala ko mas matagal. Pero, came early, I guess. Nakasama ka naman. Nakikita niyo na ba siya? Nakikita niyo na. At least sure tayo protected yung PS5, no? Cameron! Come on! Come here! Picture with
Mas
Daddy!
maganda pa din yung PS5 na binigay.
Proud ka ngayon? Proud ka doon? Una-una may makikita tayong Datablitz, thank you for your purchase. Congratulations for being one of the first few to own a PS5 in the Philippines. Thank you and happy gaming. I will play this happily. First box. Oh my gosh, sakit ko PS5. Guys, hindi ba to? Hindi din monitor. Okay, first box. First, you have your quick start guide, safety guide, power cable, the stand, yung vertical and horizontal way of standing your PS5, HDMI cable 2.1. Guys, here we go. Ay, lumbas. Yo! Dali! Tignan nyo kung gano'n kapogi yan. Tignan nyo yan. Pogi! Okay, nice. USB-C to USB-A for faster charging ng ating dualsense controller. That's it for this box. Throw away. Let's throw away these papers that I will not read. Come on, be honest. You don't read it as well. Ayaw niya pala talagang lumabas. Wait. Here it is. Man, this one's heavy. Look at that. Look at that further. Look at it. So, nag-output si PS5 ng up to 8K. Pero hindi ko alam hindi ako sure kung available ng, kung pwede na ngayon yung 8K. If meron kayong 8K monitor or TV. Pero, it is future-proof na. 4K up to 120 frames per frames per second, 4K, 60 frames per second. Here's what we got. Nakita niyo na kanina, dualsense controller. Unbox ko na rin para sa inyo. Yan. Ito na, another controller. Okay. Tapos, ang unang-una kong game na binili is NBA 2K21. For the reason being, hindi siya natatapos. My career ka lang, grind ka lang ng grind, hindi siya matatapos hanggang sa makita ka ng pambili ng bari-bari ng game. May I just add, it's heavy, and it's tall, and it stands out. Compare natin to sa PS5 na ginawa niya. So guys, compare natin yung PS5 niya sa PS5 ko. Sit beside Daddy. Sit beside Daddy. Which one do you like better? This one or this one? You want this one? You want this one better?
Good. It's good. So good.
You like this one?
Let's play later.
Let's play
Basketball.
basketball later. So guys, don't forget to like this video. Comment down below kung anong nagustuhan yung edition. This PS5 version ni Yana or this PS5. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification icon. So yun, day 2 ng PS5. Hindi ko pa siya nabubuhay. Hindi ko pa talaga siya nabubuhay. Ever since tinayo ko siya dyan. After ko siya i-set up dyan, kinonect ko lang yung wires and everything. Nilagay ko lang tong konti collection ko ng Funko. Go. PS5, it's so tall. Talagang pagpasok mo ng kwarto, parang makikita mo siya. You're asleep. Time to play. Oh, that looks so nice. There it is, guys. Once lang yan mangyayari. So nice. Diba normally, pag kumuha ka ng disc, gusto mo pagpapasok mo siya pag ganito, right? That's the force of habit eh. Yun yung natural natin ginagawa. Pero sa PS5, you have to do it this way. You have to insert it this way. Okay, people? Like that. Hey, we're in. The dualsense controller nga pala has adaptive analog sticks and adaptive trigger buttons. So, nag-a-adjust sila depending on dun sa game na nilalaro mo. Pero yun ay dun lang sa supported games. The trigger, parang nagre-recoil pabalik din siya. So, then, this one, the analog, for example, naglalakad ka sa sand, it's different feeling than walking on ice, on water. Nag-a-adjust talaga siya. So, here's an up-close shot of the dualsense controller. It's gorgeous. So, ito yung pattern. Bam! Pattern.